हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे फेलोशिप फॉर इंडियन सिटीजन्स इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। सो दिस fellowship is called Fulbright Nehru fellowship. This fellowship is meant for different students. For example, the master's students or those who want to pursue PhD or those who want to do postdoc. And apart from this fellowship is also given to different faculty, scientists, artists, and professionals. So now let's talk about the this fellowship in detail. So here you can see a different Fulbright Nehru fellowships. So now we will look at the different fellowships. So here you can see this is 2026 to 27 batch Fulbright Nehru Masters Fellowship, but this application deadline has now gone. It was May 14th, so you cannot apply for this. But if you are doctoral student, or if you are a research scholar, so you can apply for doctoral research fellowships. So this Fulbright Nehru doctoral research fellowship is granted to Indian students who are already enrolled in PhD in different institutions in India, and they want to do half of their PhD work in United States. So the time period for this fellowship is 6 to 9 months. So, and you can see here the deadline for this fellowship is July 15, 2025. So you have still you have a time for to apply for this scholarship. But let me share with you few other details. So yeah, here is the eligibility requirements. So see what is written here, that this grant is intended for PhD students to conduct research essential to their dissertation thesis. So for example, if May 2027 is the grant date and the application cannot be submitted their thesis before 2027. Okay, this is not important, but what is important for us is that the application process is here. So you can see that the last date is July 2025, and if your application get accepted, then they will start their review process in September 2025, and then in October 2025 USIEF informs the applicant about the review outcome. Then you have to review, and also if you get selected you have to appear for interview, and after that USIEF notifies principal and alternate nominee to take TOEFL. So TOEFL is an exam which you have to give. So if you get selected, so Indian government provides some concession for this TOEFL exam. And so finally if you get selected, and then you know you will depart from India in next year, that is May or June 2026. So you what you have to do for this application for this scholarship, you have to fill the application form, and they'll ask you certain things, that why you want to do your PhD, I mean half of your PhD work in USA, what will be the importance of your subject, how you will contribute to the academic literature, and when you will go back to India, what are your research plans, and how your research are related with sustainable development goals. So there are certain types of questions which they ask. So this is a good opportunity. So I encourage all of you that if you are a student, if you are a research scholar enrolled in PhD, you should apply for this scholarship. And apart from that, if you are looking for postdoctoral scholarship, then also you can apply for this scholarship. And the last date for this scholarship is July 15. If you are a if you want to do postdoctorate. And yeah, one more thing is this, that you have to find out some institutions in USA where you want to pursue your research. So you have to check that whether the particular institution is related to your area of research. If yes, then you have to find out some professors over there, and you have to contact to them, so that they can write an invitation letter for you. And you have to upload that invitation letter in the application form. And also there should be a reference letter from three professors at least, from those who are in India. So these two things are important in this application. One is that कि आपको वहाँ से जिस भी USA के जिस भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में आप जाना चाहते हो, वहाँ से आपको इनविटेशन लेटर आपके पास होना चाहिए। और दूसरा, जिस इंस्टीट्यूशन में आप हो वहाँ से किसी के भी तीन लेटर, रेफरेंस लेटर आपके पास होने चाहिए। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपके उस इंस्टीट्यूशन के ही होने चाहिए, आई मीन थ्री प्रोफेसर्स के आपके पास रेफरेंस लेटर्स होने चाहिए। सो दिस ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो। सो थैंक यू।